Hurry up and give it a try while it's still free. This AI website is 100% free, unlimited, and comes with no watermark. All you need to do is log in. You can generate images, edit images, or turn images into videos using AI tools, quickly and effortlessly. To better understand it, let's start with how to use it. After opening and logging into the website, the first thing you need to do is upload the photo you want to edit. Here, I'm using an old photo. Then select AI Tools. Once the AI Tools window opens, scroll down to find the Restore and Colorize Old Photo tool. Then open it. Click the Restore button and wait for the result. Choose the generated image you like the most, then save it. Next, let's try another AI tool, namely Create Video. The method is the same and easy.